can call me Rice. Welcome back to my channel. I just ordered 3 mystery boxes from 3 different sellers from Lazada. And I only got 2. So, wala pa po yung pangatlo. And I have waited for 1 week already. So, I will just go on with the 2 boxes that came in first. So let's open the first one. I bought it from R&A Trends. It came first 2 days after my purchase. Let's do it. Maybe. Alright. Open it. Okay. So we have here a small box. Okay, so okay. So since it's a mystery box, I will not take a look at it. I will just get the products one by one. So let's see, what do we have here? It's a let go of your phone. It's a grip, a phone grip. This one. And then what's this? It's a small you call this, it's for the phone holder. Yeah. Okay. What else we have? More. Oh, there's still. Oh yeah. That's it. From R&A Trends, worth 99 pesos. This, the ungrip solution, or yeah, and this one. I think this will only cost me 50 or 60 pesos. Not worth it. R&A Trends, not worth it. Okay. Now let's proceed with the second one. The second one that came in is from Sulit Shop Pinas. Worth 99 pesos mystery box. Okay. Let's open the box. Oh, it's a bigger one, but still a light one. I'll try to open it. Alright. Okay, then let's unveil what's inside of this 99 mystery box. Is it worth it? Let's see. What's this? What's this? Oh, this one is a cable protector. I'll see it. I'll check later if it's how much this is worth. And no, just 2 items again. Just 2 items for 99 pesos. This is a travel charger, USB travel adapter. Oh, it's just a charger. It's just a charger. So 99 pesos for these 2. For these 2 mystery boxes, do you think it's worth it? Well, it's a mystery box anyway, and you don't know what's in it. Yeah, it may be worth your money, and it may not be, so I'm glad I just get the 99 pesos mystery box. So what do you think will they get you when you get that 50 pesos mystery box, 49 pesos, or 39 pesos? I don't know. I don't know what will they give you with that. So yeah, that's it. That's our unveiling or unboxing of our 2 mystery box worth 99 pesos from RNA Trends and Sulit Shop Pinas. So I will just have to wait for the last one, and I'll get back to you maybe the next video. So it's up to you if you want to purchase mystery boxes from Lazada. Well, for me, can let go only 99 pesos. So I will still share with you when I get the third box that I ordered from Lazada so that we can compare. So remember this, I got these two and another 2 items. See you on my next vlog. Bye.